Wake up to huge window curtains drawn back, letting just the perfect amount of light in. Come on, man, you're selling luxury now. You need to sell the dream, you understand? Getting fit, the gym is only an elevator right away. Real estate agents will say it comes with a gym.
This gigantic and heavy mansion is selling for just 480 million naira. It's plenty.
You see how you're playing with words to sell this dream, the dream of luxury. Welcome to Panther 2, a majestic mansion conveniently located in the heart of Maryland. Located in Maryland, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. Stay with me here. This is a rare opportunity to purchase this off-plan property. So now we're creating scarcity. I was able to generate 70 leads with 18,000 naira for this off-plan property here, worth over 700 million naira. I mean, I had 70 people raising up their hands to buy a 700 million naira property in just 1 week for a real estate agent to work with. In this video, I'll walk you through the ad copy, the creative, and the targeting I did on this particular campaign to get these results. Maybe you can pick some things here and there and try it for yourself, try it for your ads and see maybe you can get similar results. My name is Steven, I run the digital marketing agency, and the goal of this channel is to teach you or show you everything I know about marketing. Now, two things determines the success of your marketing campaigns. That is your creative and your audience. Your creative being the image or video and the ad copy you're using, and the audience being who you're showing your ads to. So even if you have the right creative and you're showing your ads to the wrong people, you won't get any conversions. I made a video about this. It's like you running a cake business and selling and targeting people who are diabetics. So I'll go into the ads manager now and walk you through this particular campaign. We're on the back end of my client's ads manager right now, and I actually got permission to show you guys this particular ad. And if you see here, when you come to results, you can see 70 leads generated, and you check amount spent, you see 18,896 naira. I said 18,000, but 18,000 sounds better, so 18,000 naira. So we have campaign running right now on this ads manager, so I wouldn't be showing you the campaign section and the ad set section. But for this particular ad, I'll be showing you the targeting. Just like I said, we'll go into the ad now and I'll show you the ad creative and the ad copy we used, and also I'll show you the targeting we did for this ad. So if we click here, we click on edit. Let's go into edit section. Okay, now let's go directly to the creative. So I'll show you the creatives first, then I'll show you the targeting we used. So by the way, if you're not familiar with any of these, I created a video on how to run Facebook ads. You can watch the video right here. I created a video on how to watch Facebook ads. Go to my channel, watch this video, and come back to this video. You'll be familiar with everything that's going on here. You'll know how to access the ads manager. So when you scroll down here, you can see the copy we used. So let me quickly read through the copy. So attention Lagos, looking to buy or invest, get the best pre-sale price on our luxury 1-unit 5-bedroom duplex. Wake up to huge window curtains drawn back, letting just the perfect amount of light in. Getting fit, the gym is only an elevator ride away. Escape to the beautiful view of your pool, refreshing mind and body after a long day's work. Your private oasis. Welcome to Panther 2, a majestic mansion conveniently located in the heart of Maryland. This is a rare opportunity to purchase this off-plan property for 5% below market value before the month of June. Payment plan included. There are only 3 units of this property left. Click learn more for photos and details. So this video is not about copywriting, but I'll just quickly explain to you what I'm doing here. So attention Lagos, you're calling out your target audience. Looking to buy or invest, get the best pre-sale price. I'll tell you why I wrote this particular text at the top of the copy here. So wake up to huge window curtains. So I'm trying to list out the properties, the details of this property and the features of this property rather, but I'm not just listing them out. Okay, it has huge windows, but you don't just want to write it there. It comes with huge windows. So wake up to huge window curtains drawn back, letting just the perfect amount of light in. Come on, man, you're selling luxury now. You need to sell the dream, you understand? So getting fit, the gym is only an elevator ride away. Real estate agents will say it comes with a gym. So you see how you're playing with words to sell this dream, the dream of luxury. Escape to the beautiful view of your pool, refreshing mind and body after a long day's work. a lot of people need pool, but they don't know they need pool. So you need to sell them on the dream. You need to sell them. You need to tell them why they need this swimming pool in their house. So escape to the beautiful view of your pool, refreshing mind and body after a long day's work. We're listing the features, but we're not just listing them. It comes with swimming pool. It comes with gym. No, that's not what you want to be doing. Your private oasis. So welcome to Panther 2, a majestic mansion conveniently located in the heart of Maryland. Located in Maryland, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. Stay with me here. This is a rare opportunity to purchase this off-plan. So now we're creating scarcity. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video about copywriting, for your Facebook ad, because it's a very essential part to running ads on Facebook. So that's let me preview this ad. Let's click on preview. So let's see how it looks on mobile. Well, most people will see your ad and are seeing your ad on mobile. So let's see what people will see when they see your ad. So for this particular ad, so just like I said, why I used the text I used above the fold. So attention Lagos, looking to buy or invest, get the best pre-sale price on our luxury 1 unit 5-bedroom duplex. So above the fold text, this is the first text these people would see. You want to let them know, okay, this is what this particular ad is about. When this pops up on your feed, you already know what this is about. You know this is a property, this is an off-plan property. We're trying to get this property sold. So exclusive off-plan property. And when they click on see more, so you want to let them know before they click on see more, you want to let them know, okay, who should click on see more. Okay, that should be somebody who is looking to buy or invest. Attention Lagos, calling out your target audience. Are you looking to buy or invest? If you're looking to buy or invest, okay, you're interested but you're not quite convinced, you're a little bit skeptical, you're not sure yet, then you click on see more. That is where our copy will do its work. Our copy will convince these people. And at the bottom of our copy as well, you see click on learn more for photos and details. You want to emphasize what should they do next. So after you've convinced them, you've done everything, what should they do next? That's something you want to always add on your copy. So this is something we've added there. Click on learn more to learn more about this property. So the real estate agent we work with for this particular ad gave us only images for this ad. So that here is where your creativity comes in. Like I said, if you watched my video about running Facebook ad, you don't just want to use one particular image, one particular ad. You want to try a couple of different ads and see which one performs better. So for this particular ad, we used 3 different ads. We used an image creative, we used a video creative, and we used the carousel. That's where you slide through different images. So I think this was the best performing ads of all, and let me just show you what we did here. So if you click on video on play, you can see highly anticipated modern living, advanced smart home technology just listed. So this is something simple you can do, something innovative that can work for you. So you always want to be trying something new, something different. I did this because I knew this pops out, like this captures. If you're scrolling to your feed and this graphic moves through your feed, it will capture your attention. So this is why I did this. So, and I didn't have video. I like to work with videos a lot. I didn't have videos, so I used the image of the property to create this little graphic, and it's worked wonders. You can see here 123 reactions and 2 comments. So let's click out of this. So I've shown you the copy and the creative. So now let me show you the targeting we did on this ad. Let me go into the ad set here now. All right, when you scroll down. All right, so we're at the targeting section of this, the kind of targeting we did. So location, we're targeting Lagos, 15 miles. This property, I remember it's in Maryland. So 15 miles of Lagos State. So we're not targeting Maryland, Ikeja. That's not what we're doing on this with this particular ad. We, just like I said, you want to be testing one particular thing in your ad. So for this particular ad, I think what we're testing interest. We're testing interests for this particular ad. So for this particular one, we used real estate interest. So people interested in real estate, and the age range 24 to 65 plus, men as well. So this is the targeting we used. So for the placements, we used the Facebook feed and the Instagram feed. So we only use those 2 placements for this particular ad. So I said real estate. Real estate is the interest we're targeting. Just like I said, you want to be split testing. So we use real estate for this particular ad set, and we used other interest as well to see which one gives us the better results. For now, I can only show you this particular ad. When we stop running ads, and when I've gotten permission from the person who owns this ad manager, maybe I can go further into other campaigns and show you what's been working right now for Facebook ads. So I run a digital marketing agency, mellowrich.com. So we run ads for a lot. We have a lot of clients we run ads for. If you want me to make more videos like this, going into our clients ads manager and showing you what's working for ads, for Facebook ads right now, dissecting everything that's working for us, what we tried out, what worked, what didn't work, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be making a lot of videos like this, dissecting campaigns we've run. If you found the content of this video useful, please, I'm begging you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.